Hi, welcome to my platform. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location or anytime you are meeting this video on YouTube. In case if it is your first time and you like what I do here, after watching, subscribe, put on your notification bell. Set it to all notifications so that you will be able to get notified each time I upload a new video. And what do we do in this platform? We react to all forms of video, local, international, especially in Biafra land and in Nigeria. How we do it, we present the video, we introduce it, then we sit down there to watch it together with you from the beginning to the end. Then later we'll go to the comment section to air our mind. You are free to criticize, you are free to air your mind, but let us always do it constructively so that nobody will be offended. So, Ibondioma negenti ekene mono umunnemundi njemono na sanachi onabonachi. My lovely family, you people are now my family. I appreciate your massive support. I love and cherish each and every one of you. Never take your support for granted as we watch this video.
Country respect the law, but they cannot, so that is why we are also here. They have been coming out here to say that Nnamdi Kanu must be released. Why must he be released? There's no reason why he should be released. He's a criminal.
Okay, sir, sorry, one question. So, with the high rate of insurgency in the Northeast and with the high rate of banditry, don't you think that we should also have well-meaning youths who might actually come out and actually protest the high rate of banditry? Yes, we know that Nnamdi Kanu is particular to the Southeast, but what is going on in the North? We are not seeing youths coming out to protest.
If you look at the placards behind me, it's talking about terrorists, IPOP, Boko Haram, insurgents in the whole, in the North.
Okay.
It's talking about all terrorists.
Continue.
So the Northeast, so
we're worried about the Northeast. We have been voicing our voices for a long time, and we're collaborating with the security agency in making sure the information are provided for them to work. Your full name, sir. Your full name, sir.
Wise question from our brave journalists. I love this question. Wise question. These are the type of journalists that are supposed to be working in Nigeria. Fearless. Oga, your house is on fire. You are pursuing rats. It's only a fool pursue rats. Maybe they pay you. You just leave whatever you are doing. If at all you have something doing, you leave whatever you are doing. You come out to protest against Nnamdi Kanu. You say he's a criminal. Your wife, they miss. Your wife, they miss. You ask question. They say Nnamdi Kanu thief your wife. Your house is on fire. You are pursuing rats. If there is a region that's supposed to protest for, northern Nigeria needs protest. Oga, use this energy now. Protest for northern Nigeria. For insecurity, you guys are the owner of insecurity. For hardship and hunger, you guys have the warehouse of hunger. For uneducated rates, you guys have it A1. You leave all those ones. You are protesting against Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu thief your wife. He robbed your bank, Oga. My God. What's happening in Southeast? I call it family problem. Oga, if you see me and my brother fighting, Oga, let's communicate yourself and go, because if you put mouth to there, we will use it to settle. If Nnamdi Kanu is a criminal, we Southerners, we Igbos, we are the people that are supposed to protest that criminal is in our midst, not you. Are you living in Southeast? Even though you are living in Southeast, if you are not comfortable, you go to your side. Oga, leave Nnamdi Kanu. Since you catch Nnamdi Kanu, have we solved our common problem? Your house is on fire. Look at northern Nigeria that's supposed to, as in second name of hellfire, insecurity, hunger. Nuna get them. You leave that one and come the protest for Nnamdi Kanu. The moment we start to know our problem, the better for us. The moment we start to discover the main problem we have, the better for us. Nnamdi Kanu is not your problem. Even though if at all someone have to complain about Nnamdi Kanu, we Igbos supposed to, not you. Have you seen Nnamdi Kanu in northern Nigeria shouting Biafra? Have you seen Nnamdi Kanu in northern Nigeria shouting IPOB? Why is it your problem? Because he disagree with the mission of your people coming to southeast to rape and to obstruct, to prevent our farmers not to farm in their land. Now you be your anger now. They pay you whether or not they pay you, whether or not you decide by yourself. You are saying one Nigeria. Who is keeping one Nigeria? You guys are preaching one Nigeria. We are the one practicing it. We come in your land. If we have money, we buy land, build it, develop it, contribute in your economy. If we will not get money to buy land, we rent, pay light bill, everything. You come in our land with the kettle and mats and radio. I've been a radio. I go use a Dutch tongue. You come with the radio. Don't go to no get one block. The only thing they come now in trailer where they kill our people. You they shout one Nigeria. Now we they practice it. We they do it. Practice the one Nigeria. You are the one preaching it. Tell me one sign of say you are as in you support one Nigeria. It is said by mouth. Ha! Your house is on fire. You can't do unnecessary things that even no concern you. Nnamdi Kanu, if your wife they miss. Your money they miss. They say Nnamdi Kanu if your money. If people supposed to complain about Nnamdi Kanu, we Igbos unanimously we go say this guy na thief. Unlike how we unanimously they tell you that our eastern politicians they are thieves. They know they try. Nnamdi Kanu, 95% of Igbos love him. The ones who no love himself, where they say they no love him, Nakoni, they love her. So for you to come out now, I don't know who you fight for. You fight for Nigeria, being you fight for Igbos. Now we're supposed to complain. We are supposed to complain, say, leave this guy. If you leave him, Southeast go better. You there they fight for your house, they burn. You can't they fight unnecessary fight. See question where they ask you. Northeast, they be like hellfire. You can't they talk of Nnamdi Kanu. Now America now cause insecurity in Nigeria. Now it cause this thing, electricity. Unemployment na Nnamdi Kanu cause them. The moment you know your problem, the better for us. One Nigeria where you they shout for. Tell me, come to East and show me one building. They say na northern person builder. We come to your land, we contribute. We take you as our own. We build this, we contribute in the economy, in everything. You come in our land, instead of you to contribute, you will destroy the one. You will even destroy the economy. Raping women in the forest, preventing them to harvest and farm in their land. You are preaching one Nigeria. Aren't you people ashamed of yourselves? Brave journalists, you guys did this is kind of question we need. BBC Igbo. Kamgu no. Unu jage galafa na azanwa afa kedafi afa na aba wankita ka ogenede. BBC Igbo. Inukoko ka afa. O unu kwesi idi na agwa ụwa mmegide na emegide ụmụnne unu. Obu unu na amaha afa unu gigara. Al Jazeera in anu today owned by Arab people. Al Jazeera bo anything na any megide the Arab if at all ha na ebupụta ya. Unu na atụ ụjọ. Ọ bụrụ na police na army na atụ ụjọ ndị ori eme gbagbu ha which means they are not qualified. If a journalist na atụ ụjọ okwu Kedafi ya akpochi anya which means ikwu itie n'ọlụ ị na-alụ. Unana azikwe kuna okwo ndi mmadụ nketizi na ekuzi. Thank God for social media. Bibi onwe mgbanwa nke nwe na-ajụ Simon Ekpe ajụ ọ sị na ya na-atụ ụjọ maka na ya achọghị ikwu nke ị na-atụ ụjọ gụnwa bụ journalist kwuo ihe ka ọ dị gwa ụwa ihe na-eme ọnya ka iji wee gụgala oke afọ na-egbu nwa nkịta ọzọzi na-akpọ ndị Nollywood nke a na-ewekarịcha amahụ na ndị Nollywood nwunye ka ihe concern ihe na-eme na Igbo wuti acting movie wetin concern na.
Thank you so much for watching this video together with me. Like I said before, if it is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel and you like what I do, please subscribe, put on your notification bell, share this video, leave your comment in the comment section. You are free to criticize, but let us do it always constructively. Remain blessed. I appreciate your massive support and I love and cherish each and every one of you. Until I meet you again in my next video, for now we say bye-bye.